see the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck, it immediately feels like something from the future. This isn't just another electric pickup, it's a complete rethink of what a truck can look like and how it can perform. The sharp, angular shape stands out instantly. And whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying it demands attention wherever it goes. The body is made from ultra-hard stainless steel, designed to resist dents, scratches, and corrosion far better than traditional painted panels. This gives the Cybertruck a rugged industrial feel that actually serves a purpose, not just aesthetics. Around the back, the large cargo bed known as the Vault is both spacious and secure, with a powered tonneau cover on higher trims that keeps your gear protected and out of sight. Step inside, and the interior continues Tesla's signature minimalist approach. Instead of a cluttered dashboard, you get a massive central touchscreen that controls nearly everything, from navigation and entertainment to vehicle settings. The cabin feels open, modern, and tech-focused, with optional rear seat screens that make passengers feel just as connected as the driver. Performance is where the Cybertruck really surprises people. For 2026, Tesla offers multiple configurations. The single-motor long-range version focuses on efficiency and everyday usability, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers strong acceleration and excellent traction. At the top sits the tri-motor Cyber Beast, a performance monster that pushes electric truck performance to extreme levels. Despite its size and weight, the Cybertruck accelerates incredibly fast. The dual-motor version can hit 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, while the Cyber Beast does it even quicker, making it faster than many sports cars. This kind of performance in a full-size pickup still feels unreal. Range is always a key concern with electric vehicles, and Tesla claims the Cybertruck can travel up to around 325 miles on a full charge depending on the configuration. Real-world driving conditions may lower that number, especially with aggressive driving or off-road use, but fast charging support allows you to regain significant range in a short amount of time. When it comes to real truck duties, the Cybertruck doesn't fall short. Towing capacity reaches up to approximately 11,000 pounds on higher trims, making it capable of pulling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment with ease. Payload capacity remains competitive as well, so hauling tools, supplies, or adventure gear isn't a problem. Off-road capability is another major highlight. Adjustable air suspension allows the Cybertruck to raise its ride height for rough terrain or lower itself for highway efficiency. Rear-wheel steering helps reduce the turning radius, making this large truck surprisingly manageable in tight spaces or on narrow trails. Technology plays a huge role in the Cybertruck experience. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while slowing down, improving efficiency. Advanced drive assistance features, including Tesla's autopilot systems, add an extra layer of confidence on long drives, while constant software updates mean the truck can improve over time without visiting a dealership. That said, the Cybertruck isn't without controversy. Early production models faced quality concerns and recalls, reminding buyers that pushing innovation this far can come with challenges. Tesla continues refining the design and production process, but it's something potential owners should keep in mind. Ultimately, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck isn't trying to please everyone. It's bold, unconventional, and unapologetically different. For those who want a pickup that combines extreme design, serious performance, and cutting-edge electric technology, the Cybertruck offers an experience unlike anything else on the road. Love it or question it, one thing is certain: the Cybertruck is redefining what a modern truck can be.